Hello friends, this is Pankaj here again, and I hope you're doing well in your life. Today I have a new topic for you, that is intraday scanner to capture a quick movement or to catch the start of the rally so that we can enter at a right time. We can reduce our risk amount and we could take the maximum benefit of the intraday rally, either on the bullish side or bearish side. Daily we observe many stocks move by 5%, 10% and 20%. 5 to 10% is very common. Many reputed stocks also move by 5 to 10%. And then that time question comes, then how to catch such kind of moves, how to enter or how to identify the early stage of such moves, because many times we come to know about such moves at the end of the day or at the market closing time, and then that time we regret that we missed the rally in that particular stock. So then what's the solution for this? So how can we catch such moves at early stage? I think one of the solution is to create a stock scanner. We can make some conditions, we can define, and then that we can code in any stock scanner, and then based on that we can try to identify the early stage of such a moves, and by that way we can improve our risk reward ratio also, as the early we enter, the lesser will be the risk amount. So based on that, I have created one stock scanner for intraday. But before that, I would like to explain the conditions what which I have used in that particular scanner, and then I will provide you the link of the ready scanner. I have created scanner on chartink.com, so you can use that. That's a free platform to use the intraday scanner. Let's discuss about the bullish conditions. The first condition is stock should be trading above yesterday high, because that signifies the higher strength. But many times this is not enough, because sometimes stock opens gap up and it starts coming down. So though it is above yesterday high, it is bearish today. So to filter this, then we can put the second condition. It should be about today's open. So if it is about today's open and above yesterday high, so together then these two conditions can signify that the stock is really bullish today. And then after that we can come on the lower time frame, that is 15-minute time frame, and we can check the default super trend, and it should be bullish. So if price is above the 15-minute super trend, so short term trend is bullish in that case. So the fourth condition is we will check the 5-minute chart, and on that we will find the candlestick which has given the 0.5% movement or higher movement on that. So trend already we have defined, it is bullish, and if we get such a candle of 0.5% move or higher move, so that must be the starting point of the rally. So there we can definitely make a bullish trade with stop loss as a low of that 5-minute candle, or we can use the entry and exit conditions which we discussed in the intraday course. And but the main point here is, here we can definitely enter into the bullish trade, because there is a high possibility that we could get the big rally on upside. Let's check one example here for the bullish condition. So the first condition is a stock should be above yesterday high. So as here we can see, it is trading above yesterday high, it has opened gap up. Then the second condition is it should be above today's open, and it is there. So today's open is here and stock is above that at this particular point. This filter is important, because many times it happens stock opens here and it start coming down. So though it is above yesterday high, it is bearish today, so it should be above today's open. So this is the second condition. Now with these two conditions we come to know that now stock trend is really bullish. Now we will check the 15-minute time frame super trend. So stock is above the super trend, so it again shows us that the short term trend is also bullish. And now on 5-minute time frame, here are some candles which I have marked. So these are the candles where the movement is more than 5%, sorry, 0.5%. So these are the points. So if we scan these locations, or if we get the stock at this at the closing of this particular candle, so here we can definitely make a bullish entry with stop loss as a low of this particular candle. So this was one entry, this was second, third, fourth, fifth. So anywhere during the day, if we get such a stock, then definitely we can catch few points immediately in upcoming candles. Now let's check the bearish conditions. It's almost the similar, just in the opposite way. And for the bearish, the stock should be trading below yesterday low, so that signifies the bearishness. Second condition is it should be below the today's open, so after opening it should be falling. This is the second condition. So together these two signifies that the stock is really bearish today. Third is 15-minute super trend should be bearish, and the same way 5-minute candles should show at least 0.5% movement, but here it should be on bearish side. So that I have already captured in the coding. Let's check one example of bearish conditions. Here the first condition is it should be below yesterday low. So like this. So this is yesterday low. So stock should be below this. It should be today below today's open. So today's open is here and stock is falling after that. So it is satisfying both the conditions. Now the third condition is the 15-minute super trend should be bearish. It is there. Price is below the super trend, and then on 5-minute time frame we will find the candles where the movement is more than 0.5%. So these are some potential entries. Like this is a candle, here we can make short trade. This is one second short trade and this is a third short trade, and after that we have seen that the overall stock movement is on downside only on this particular day. So by this way we can definitely scan the stock and then we can enter into the trade. This is the link of scanner page on my website. This link is given in the description box. Click on that link. After that the new window will open. So once you click on that link, this particular page will open. This is the scanner page where I have mentioned all the details of the scanner. So there are two buttons here, intraday bullish scanner and intraday bearish scanner. So there are two separate scanners for both the conditions. So let's check intraday scanner first. So once you click on this, the new window will open, and this will be the Chartink page, and this is the scanner code. So once you click on the run, then it will scan the stocks. You can find here all bullish stocks it has scanned. Here I have selected the future segment. Here it is, and if you want cash segment stocks also, you can select cash, bank nifty or some other segments as well. But I think future segment is also more than enough, but definitely you can try with the other segments also. Then you can save this scan. You can log in and save this scanner in your Chartink portal. So same way, then click on the bearish button and save that bearish scanner also. So during intraday you can run both these scanners every 15 minutes or every 5 minutes, or you can also set alerts, but this is a chargeable service provided by the Charting. So if you want to use free one, so you have to manually scan it, or you can set alerts as well. So I hope you find this scanner useful. If you want to suggest any improvement in this scanner, you can definitely suggest in the comment section. Also, if you have any new condition for that you want to create the scanner, you can share that with me. I will help you to create the scanner for that. Thank you for listening, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to channel and also activate the bell icon, because I will be sharing more such concepts in coming days, so you will get the alert of that. Thank you very much.